Oxford students, hello second graders, and welcome back to a new video. This is teacher Farah Zuraiqi from Oxford Schools, and today's lesson is vocabulary strategy, and we will be learning shades of meaning, and we will use the reader's notebook, and we will cover page 57. Alright, so in English language, some words share the same meaning. How? How do some words share the same meaning? Here's some examples. For example, the word said. When you say you let out words out of your mouth, you either say said or stated, announced, whispered, or declared. You can declare something, and when you declare something, you let out words out of your mouth. When you whisper, you let words out of your mouth, but in a lower tone. When you announce, you say something people do not know about. You say a breaking news, for example. And when you state something, you also say it by words. So they all have the same almost meaning, and it means said. When you are scared, you could be afraid, horrified, petrified, terrified. They all have the same meaning. So scared, afraid, horrified, petrified, and terrified. Nice, lovely, pleasant, admirable, swell. So nice, lovely, pleasant, admirable, swell. They all have the same meaning. Nice. So this is what having shades of meaning means in English. For example, one word, it could be replaced with so many, and all of these words share the same meaning. So you could use either scared or afraid or horrified or petrified or terrified to say that you're scared of something. And this is how we use shades of meanings. Now let's go and use more examples. For example, when you have a glance of something, you either look at it or glance at it. When you stare, you can also peek. You can also what? Peek. Inspect, to gaze and look widely at something. Glimpse and spot. Glimpse, to have a very curious look at something and find out something that no one else spotted. So spot also means glimpse. Gaze is similar to inspect. Peek is similar to stare. Look is similar to glance. So for example, you can say have a glance or have a look. See? Now let's go and see more examples. Alright. Here we have unhappy, sad, and devastated. Unhappy, sad, and devastated. They all have the same meaning. Nice, kind, generous. Nice, kind, and generous. They all have the same meaning. Good, super, amazing. Good, super, amazing. They also have the same meaning. Glance, look, and observe. Glance, look, and observe. Now let's go to the reader's notebook, page 57. Shades of meaning. This is the vocabulary strategy that is called shades of meaning in the Sign Makers Assistant unit. Choose the best word from the word bank to complete each sentence. Use every word. So here we have tumble, slide, and slip. Tumble, slide, and slip. And they all have the same meaning of slipping on the floor or ground or something similar to that. And let's see now the first one. The wall of mud began to tumble or slide or slip slowly down the hill. The wall of mud began to what? Slowly down the hill. Slide. 2. Be careful not to tumble or slip on the slimy seaweed. Be careful not to tumble or slip on the slimy seaweed. Slip. Be careful not to slip on the slimy seaweed. 3. Turning over and over, the child began to tumble down the grassy hill. Tumble as he fell down. Alright, now let's go to the second one. Here we have cool, cold, and frozen. They all are similar in meaning. For a what? A cool or cold or frozen breeze is welcome after the day's heat. A cool breeze is welcome after the day's heat. You should wear a hat on a cold or frozen and snowy day. Cold. So, you should wear a hat on a cold and snowy day. When the pond is what? You can skate on it when it's frozen. So, when the pond is frozen, we can skate on it. Well, this was it for Shades of Meanings. I hope it was very beneficial for you and you have enjoyed it. Thank you all for watching.